Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are talking about the stocks that Cathie Wood of Ark Invest has recently bought up and some stocks that she has sold. For instance, she has dumped and sold many Tesla shares recently, and she has been loading up and buying up more Palantir and Teladoc shares. So in this video, we're going to go over what Cathie Wood of Ark Invest has been buying and selling lately, so we can determine if any of these are wise trades or not, or it might expose us to an entirely new stock that we want to research and look more into. So remember to like this video for more videos like this one. Comment down below your thoughts on Cathie Wood investing more and heavily loading up on Palantir and dumping more of her Tesla shares. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Turn on all subscription notifications by hitting the bell, and now let's get right into today's stories. So Cathie Wood of Ark Invest has bought and sold some very notable stocks lately. Like I said earlier, she has been dumping her TSLA shares all over the place, and she has been adding other stocks like Palantir. For instance, the investment firm, which is Ark Invest, also known as Ark Funds, has sold a plethora of their TSLA shares that they originally had, and this number is about 39,262 shares in total. That's worth around $45 million. Ark Invest as a firm has been cashing in on their Tesla stock ever since the beginning of 2021, and I anticipate that they will buy more Tesla shares when the stock eventually pulls back. Because the Tesla share price is so high, Ark wants to cash in early on it so they can lock in their profits. Ark has also been loading up on stocks like Teladoc, ticker symbol TDOC, and they have bought nearly 80,000 shares of the company in total, because apparently Teladoc is in deep value territory. They also have been buying up more Palantir shares, which we are going to talk about more in this video, which is very exciting news because I am a huge fan of Palantir. Ark purchased in total around 442,456 shares that is worth around $8.2 million. Ark also purchased a plethora of Robinhood shares and Twitter shares. So let's see what else Ark has purchased throughout the beginning of 2021. If we look at the Ark Fintech Innovation Etf, ticker symbol ARKF, we can see that she has added 237,615 shares of Toast, over 145,000 shares of Robinhood, and 8,500 shares of Teladoc. Currently, Toast, whose ticker symbol is TOST, trades for around $29 per share. The low-end price prediction by analysts is $43. The average price target for Toast is $60, and the high-end price prediction by an analyst is $80. For Robinhood, we get a similar growth trajectory. Robinhood's ticker symbol is HOOD. It currently trades for around $16 per share. The low-end price target is $17. The average price prediction for the stock is $41, and the high-end price prediction for the stock at the end of 2022 is $84 per share. Teladoc, whose ticker symbol is TDOC, currently trades at $89 per share. The low-end price target is $88. The average price target is $158, and the high-end price prediction is $215 per share. However, Ark has sold, when it comes to the Arkw ETF, around 250,500 shares of Pinduoduo. And if you want to look, here is the ticker symbol and what analysts think of the stock. And it's no surprise that Ark is selling this, because like I said in a previous video, this is a foreign stock. And as we move and look over other stocks that Ark has sold, a lot of them are foreign companies, which is no surprise because certain political tensions have increased with foreign countries. If we move on to one of my favorite Ark ETFs, it's the Arc Genomic Revolution Etf, ticker symbol ARKG, and Ark has bought up around 35,900 shares of Recursion Pharma, 19,500 shares of Teladoc, and 8,900 shares of Surface Oncology. Recursion Pharma currently trades at $17 per share with a ticker symbol of RXRX, and here is the low, average, and high-end price predictions for this stock. If we go over to Surface Oncology, we also see that the stock price is trading at a huge discount of only $4.90. The ticker symbol is SURF and the ticker name is SURF. However, this has a huge growth trajectory because the low end price target is $14, and on the high end we have an $18 price target by analysts. For the ARKG ETF, Ark has recently sold around 71,144 shares of Takeda Pharma, and here is the ticker symbol and the price predictions by analysts. Now we can move on to the ARKK ETF, which is Ark's flagship ETF known as the Ark Innovation Etf. Ark has bought 89,426 shares of of Invitae, ticker symbol NVTA. The current stock price is $14 per share, the high-end price prediction is $55 per share, and the low-end price target by analysts is $25, but all of this again is above the current price of $14, so it seems like a great buy by Ark Invest. Next we have Beam Therapeutics, which Ark bought around 81,000 shares of, and the ticker name is Beam. The current stock price is $76, and the high-end price prediction is $150 per share, so we can almost consider a 100% increase from the stock's current stock price if analysts are correct. Now for the ARKK ETF, we can see that Ark has recently sold off 185,000 shares of Iridium, whose ticker symbol is IRDM, and here is the current stock price and what analysts think of the stock. Also, I'm surprised that they also sold Unity Software, because Unity is one of Ark's favorite stocks. The ticker symbol is U, the current stock price is $126, while the low end price target is $85. So maybe Ark is waiting for the stock to pull back further before they decide to buy more of it. Moving on to the ARKQ ETF, which is Ark's Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, they bought around 364,966 shares of Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR, with a current stock price of $17.86. The low end price target for the stock is $18, and the high end price prediction by analysts is $31 per share. And again, I report on this stock quite often, and I am very bullish on it for the long term. I think we're going to experience the most growth for Palantir Technologies probably after the next 2 to 3 years, and then it's going to skyrocket from there. Ark Funds also picked up over 250,000 shares of UiPath, ticker symbol PATH, ticker name Path. The current stock price is $41, and the high-end price prediction is $85 per share. So I think Ark is anticipating over a 100% return for this stock, which is why they bought it. Next, we have Ark buying around 11,197 shares of Vuzix, ticker symbol VUZI, at a current stock price of $9.30, and again, the low-end, average, and high-end price targets by analysts are substantially higher than the stock's current price, so it's no wonder why Ark Invest decided to buy this company. Ark also sold some shares of stock from the ARKQ ETF, and it mainly consisted of JD.com and Tesla, surprisingly. Now, like we said earlier, JD.com is being sold by Ark Invest because, again, it's a foreign stock, and because tensions are rising, Ark Invest doesn't want to take on that volatility or the risk that comes with it. Next, we're going to move on to the ARKW ETF, which is Ark's next generation internet ETF, where they bought Robinhood and Cloudflare. So we're going to start off with Cloudflare. Cloudflare's ticker symbol is NET, and it currently trades around $109. But the high-end price prediction for this stock is $250 per share, and this is another beloved stock by retail investors. We can also see that Ark Invest decided to pick up some more Spotify shares, ticker symbol SPOT, and it currently trades for $231, and the high-end price target is $414. However, I personally think that Spotify is rather pricey right now, and I might want the stock to drop a few more dollars before I personally decide to invest. For the ARKW ETF, Ark decided to sell more Tesla shares of around 28,000 shares of Tesla, and they also sold almost 400,000 Twitter shares, coming in at 359,577 shares. Lastly, we have the Ark X ETF, which is the Ark Space Exploration and Innovation ETF, who picked up 2 3D printing stocks, and I'm surprised they didn't pick up more Nano Dimension stock. So to start the list, they picked up some Velo 3D stock, which is ticker symbol VELO, and it currently trades at $9.72. Now, no major institutions or analysts are covering this stock, but anything below $5 would be a great deal for this company in my personal opinion. We also see that Ark Invest is buying up more Blade Air Mobility stock, which is a helicopter transportation company. That's ticker's name is BLDE. The current stock price is $8.26. The low-end price target is $13. The average price target is $14.80. The high-end price prediction, according to analysts, is $16 per share. Lastly, we have another fantastic 3D printing stock, which is Markforged, ticker symbol MKFG. The stock currently trades at around $5.69 per share, and the high-end price target is $14 per share. So again, these two companies mixed with Nano Dimension are extreme growth companies if they end up taking off, but right now it seems that both of them are trading at a pretty good discount and will probably continue to fall in price until they get huge catalysts. To wrap off the video, Ark sold 21,413 shares of Teradyne, which is quite shocking because I think Teradyne is a fantastic company, but if you look at the stock chart, the stock absolutely exploded and has been running up very rapidly, so it's no wonder why Ark Invest wants to take profits right now while it's so high. The ticker symbol for for this company is TER. The current stock price is $164, and the high-end analyst price prediction is $200 per share. But what do you think about these companies that Ark Invest is selling, and about the ones that Ark Invest is buying? I'd love to hear your comments down below. Don't forget to like this video right now for more videos like this one. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next YT video.